Hi everyone and welcome to another Crypto Setups tutorial. Today I'm going to show you three things: how to create a wallet in Sprout, how to swap seed across chains, and how to redeem it for its underlying tokens that it currently backs. So first click on Create Wallet. Ensure you note down your seed phrase and click Next. Now in that order, note down the seed phrase as it asks you to pick the options. Then click Confirm. Now you're in your new wallet. This wallet contains all the various chains Sprout currently supports and Seed is redeemable for. Before you transfer anything into this wallet, ensure you have the underlying token in there. For example, for Tron, ensure you have Trex, and if you're swapping to Seed, ensure you have ICX in this wallet before you initiate or transfer Seed to this wallet. Once that's completed, click on Swap and then pick the seed of which wallet you want to swap from, and then pick the wallet you want it to go to. Click on Swap Seed and pick Yes. Give it a moment and that will be done. Now you've moved your Tron seed across to Icon seed. Click on Redeem. Now choose your seed token, add the amount you want to redeem and click Continue. Now click on Approve and Submit and give it a moment and you will now have the underlying tokens it represents.